Hey friends, if Windows is stuck on the getting a Windows ready screen for a very long time, then here's what you can do about it to fix the issue. First of all, you can wait. So I will tell you, it is just normal. It can take a lot of hours. If your hard disk is an HDD one, it can take a lot of time, like many hours. So just wait. But if that doesn't help, I mean, if you're very sure that there is a problem, then the solution has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. Okay, you will have to discharge the capacitors, force shut down your computer, remove the external power cord and the battery, and then press the power button continuously for 40 seconds, pull it out, and then re-add the battery and the power cable and everything, and then start it again. It will work as usual. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.